let's see how to create a simple WhatsApp chatbot for a pet grooming business and collect customer details. So here we have some chatbot script over here for the pet grooming business. So here we actually ask for their name and collect the pet type, the size of the pet, and also the service they are looking for, and also confirm their phone number as well. So let's see how to build this a simple chatbot flow automation right here for the WhatsApp. Here I'm in a demo account, and you have to make sure to connect your WhatsApp phone number over here, or create a WhatsApp chatbot channel over here. For that you have to go to settings. So in settings you can go to the channels, and here you have the option to connect over here. Since we have already connected it, we only see the disconnect and manage option. So if you're wondering how to connect a WhatsApp phone number right here, or how to create a WhatsApp chatbot, you can click on learn more and check the guide on how to connect the guide. So here we have a video on how to do this one right here, and here we have instructions as well right here. So here it's very simple process. You have to log in with Facebook, and you can simply create a new WhatsApp business profile and enter the phone number, verify the phone number, and connect it. So that's a very quick process. And here we have this video as well. Simple as that. So once it is connected, you can actually build automations on WhatsApp. So let's see how to build this one over here. And since this is related with pet grooming, so let me go to the flows section over here and create a new flow. So let me go to the flows, and here create a new flow, and let me say pet grooming WhatsApp. Let me name this one as like this, and click continue. So here this is the starting step. So what sort of message you want to send to them? So here let's just use this particular flow right here. So this is the flow we have, so let me use this one. So here if you want to use this particular chatbot in other channels, you can go with omnichannel. Otherwise, if you want to just WhatsApp, you can simply choose WhatsApp as well. So let me choose omnichannel over here, because we can use the same chatbot on website or Messenger or Instagram as well. So here let me choose a text over here, and let me paste this one. So here we have this message over here, send to them, and here you can actually add the buttons. So let me add the buttons. So one is a yes over here, and the other thing is no. So here buttons have a character limitations of 20, so you have to be careful when adding the buttons as well. Alright, so someone says a yes, then we can actually proceed to the next question. So that one is asking for their name. So can I please have your name? So here, since we're actually asking for a customer details, choose get user data over here. Alright, and here it will be a text, and here you can choose full name, and remove the skip button as well, so they have to enter to go to the next step. Alright, so once they provide the name, you can ask other details as well. So the next question is, what type of a pet do you have? So here if you want, you can add these emojis as well within the question. So here let's add this emoji like this. Alright, so the next question is, what type of a pet do you have? So here let's use the get user data once again and paste it. Here you have to save this in a text field, and here you can actually create a custom field. So this particular field answer will be saved in the particular customer's profile as well. So let's go with the multiple choice option over here, so that we can actually save it right away. So choose multiple choice, and here we have 3 options. So let me create a new field, and let me say pet type. So let me say pet type, and click continue. And here you have the option to add dog, cat, or other. So let me here add dog, and let me copy cat, paste it, and let me add the other option as well. Alright, and here you can remove the skip buttons once again and click save. Alright, so here you can even customize the messages as you wish as well. So here, suppose if they choose dog, you can send a specific message to them. If they choose cat, you can also send specific messages. Otherwise, if you want to send the same message, even if they choose any of these options, you can simply choose this option, data saved. So that means they have chosen one of these options. So that's why I'm choosing data saved and sending the next message. And here the size of the pet. So let me do the same thing as get user data, and here again choose a multiple choice, add new, and here choose pet size and continue, and here you can actually add those options as well. So small, and here we have a medium, and again here we have the large based on the weight as well. All right, and here you can remove the skip button as well and click save. All right, so now we are going to do the next question. What type of grooming service you are looking for? So let me do the same thing as it is. Get user data and choose a multiple choice. So here choose create a new field as pet service, and here paste that one. So here we have to paste that. So let me click save and let me come back over here and let me paste this particular question right here. All right, so let me go to, so here we have missed to, so we need to paste the question for this one as well. So what is the size? So let me paste this one over here. All right, so now let me come back over here and choose multiple choice. So they have the pet service. All right, so now let me add these buttons. This haircut, bath blow dry, and the final thing is nail trim. All right, and remove the skip button as well. So they need to answer to go to the next question. All right, so finally we want to confirm their phone number as well. So here since they are talking on WhatsApp, we already have their phone number, so this is just a confirmation. So let me send this one. So here let me send a text over here, phone number. So choose the phone right here, system field, phone number, and you can, here you can actually add the buttons. So let me say yes, and otherwise they can say no. So let me add these buttons as it is. So let's say no, and if it is yes, if you want to add the tick, you can do that easily. So let me paste the tick as well. All right, so here, so if they say yes, then we can send the confirmation message over here. So let's say, so let me send the confirmation message as, thanks for the details, one of our team member will reach out to you soon. All right, so here if you want to notify, so here if you want to notify one of the team member, you can add an action as well, actions. So here in this case, let's say you can go to the inbox and you can actually assign this conversation to a specific admin. For example, let's assign this conversation to one of the admins over here. So here you can actually assign to specific teams, or you can even assign to specific admin as well. So you can also have the option to assign this conversation automatically to one of the admin as well. So here if you choose auto assign to an admin, this particular conversation will be assigned to one of these admins over here. So let's say let's choose 3 agents over here. So here I have chosen 3 agents, so this conversation will be assigned to one of the agent based on their availability as well, and they will also get notified as well when this conversation is assigned to them as well. So here if they say no, we want to add a question over here. So let's say, no worries, please enter your phone number below. All right, so here we have to choose the phone option over here and remove the skip button as well. All right, and here you can simply send this to the customer as well. So here if you want to send these the details they provided to the customer, you can do that as well. So here let's do like this. So name will be their full name, and the phone number will be the phone number right here, and pet type, size will be the pet size, and the service will be the pet service which I choose. So you can even notify, when you notify the admins, you can also send these details to the admins as well. So here, if you want to do that, you can here add a notification text as well. So here, notify admins. So let's say notify, this is notified to this person, and let's say a new lead is here, and here you can simply add these details as well, and let's add the notification, please call as soon as possible. So this will be sent to this particular agent over here, and this will be assigned to one of these agents. So here in this case, let's simply assign this conversation to this particular agent only, just to show you. So assign conversation to an admin and just choose this person. All right, so here the conversation will be assigned, and they will also receive a notification as well saying a new lead is here, please call as soon as possible. All right, so let me click save or publish over here. So here we have to fill out this one as well, no. So here let's say, all right, no worries, please let us know when you are ready. So here we can also add a button, I am ready, and we can send a message as well. So when they say I am ready, we can say great, and after that we can start asking for their name over here. So here, this is a very simple flow right here we have set up. So let's see how this actually works. So let me actually set up a keyword as well to trigger this one. So it says pet grooming WhatsApp. So here let me go to the keywords over here and select a keyword as well. So here keyword, so let me set up a keyword right here. So let's say, so here let me set up the keyword as service, and here let me trigger the flow. So we have to trigger the flow named as pet grooming WhatsApp. All right, so pet grooming WhatsApp over here, and if someone says service, or if their message includes service, then this particular flow will be triggered. So let me show how this actually works. So here make sure this is active as well, service is active. So now we can test how this actually works as well. So all right, so here I'm in the WhatsApp, and we set the keyword as service. So let's say I need your service. So now this should trigger this particular chatbot flow on WhatsApp and see what happens. As you see, hi there, thanks for reaching out to this particular grooming haven. To help service better, can you please answer a few quick questions? Before we get started, would you like to proceed with a few questions? Help us understand the things better. So here you can actually edit the message as you like. So let me choose yes over here and see how this actually responds to us. So it should actually ask me for the name. So let me enter the name here as Mark Rob, and after that it simply asks for the what type of pet do you have. So here they have the option, and select these options over here. So let me choose a dog over here and click send. So here I've chosen dog, and what's the size of the pet. So here let's choose from the options. So since the character limit exceed 20 characters, we actually open this one right here. Anyways, we can simply choose medium and click continue. As you see, we receive the message. What type of grooming service are you looking for? So again, it's select from the options, haircut, bath, blow and dry, nail trim. So let me choose nail trim and send it. All right, and it's simply confirming the phone number. Is this your phone number? This is the phone number. So let me choose yes. All right, so now it sent the details. Thanks for the details. So these are the details you provided for us. One of the team member will reach out to you soon. So here, if I go to the inbox, we should see all the conversation just happened over there. So if we go to the inbox, and here Mark Rope is here, and here the details they provided, and in the profile itself you can see pet service is nail trim, pet size is this one, and pet type is dog as well. And here as you can see, this particular conversation is assigned to this particular agent right here with their profile as well. And here we can check for the notification we received as well, and here we have received this admin notification. So this is the customer, a new lead is here, phone number, the details they provide, and it says please call as soon as possible. So this notification is sent via Telegram, but you can actually send these notifications to whatever the channels you like. So you can actually send email notifications, or you can, if you have connected your SMS channel over here, you can even send notifications through the SMS as well. So if you go to the admins via settings, and let me click on manage over here, here the admin can choose whatever the channels. For this person we have enabled Telegram, so likewise you have the option to choose different notification channels like email, phone number, other channels as well. So that's a quick video on how you can actually create a simple WhatsApp chatbot for a pet grooming business. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.